In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a logo in CapCut PC. If you want to brand your videos with a clean logo, watermark, or social media icon in the corner, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. The goal is to place your logo on top of your video, resize it so it looks professional, and then keep it visible for the full length of your project. First, let's bring your logo onto the timeline. In the top left navigation menu, click Media, and make sure you're under Local. From there, click Import and choose your logo file from your computer. A transparent PNG usually works best because it lets the logo sit neatly on top of your video without a solid background around it. Once the file has been imported, drag your logo down onto track 2, directly above your main video on track 1. This is important because anything placed on a higher track will appear over the video below it. So by putting the logo on track 2, CapCut will display it on top of your footage. Next, let's size and position the logo so it looks polished and not distracting. Click the logo clip on track 2 to select it. Then go over to the top right Properties panel, open Video, and look under Basic. You'll find the scale slider there. Lower the scale to shrink the logo until it feels balanced on screen. In most cases, smaller looks more professional, especially if you're using it as a watermark. After that, click directly on the logo in the central preview window and drag it into the corner where you want it to appear. Many creators place it in one of the bottom corners or the top corners, depending on the layout of the video. Try to keep it in a spot where it doesn't cover important visual details. Now let's turn it into more of a watermark and make sure it stays visible for the whole video. In the same top right panel, scroll down until you find Opacity. Lower that slider to make the logo semi-transparent. This helps it stay visible without pulling too much attention away from your content. Finally, go back to the timeline and drag the right edge of the logo clip all the way to the end of your project. That extends the logo's duration so it remains on screen for the entire video from start to finish. And that's it. Your logo is now added, positioned, softened into a watermark, and stretched across the full length of your video. Done!